Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set a stop loss so that moment you enter the market you are safe. So you are in the safest method. So let's go and do that. Navigate to the spot or feature section. So spot right here, I will click like that. And okay, let's stay here on BTC USDT. Now here on the right side where you are selecting limit order, market order, so on, you will see here at the very end TP and SL. So this is what we are looking for. Now stop loss is SL. So now you can set to 10%, for example, and this one also like so you can play a little bit with that. And yeah, this is how you can set yourself a stop loss. And also if you already place an a trade, you can still set up the stop loss at any time. So it's really cool. But yeah, when you are buying, probably think about this stop loss also at the first time that you don't have to do later. So this is how you can set a stop loss. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.